Creating scripts for Instagram Reels or Shorts with AI is easier than you think. And in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Stay tuned because I'm also going to share an exclusive free trial for a powerful tool that can help you create these scripts effortlessly. First, let's talk about why you'd want to use AI for your scripts in the first place. Writing engaging scripts for Instagram Reels or Shorts takes time, but using AI can drastically speed up the process and take the pressure off. You'll be able to create ideas, structure, and even fine-tune your script all within minutes. To get started, the software we'll be using offers a straightforward and intuitive interface. You don't need to be a professional writer or spend hours brainstorming ideas. All you need is a few prompts, and our software takes care of the rest. Begin by opening the AI software and selecting the option for content creation. You'll likely have a few template options, but for Instagram Reels and Shorts, you want something focused on quick, snappy content, something that catches attention right away. So choose a short-form content template if it's available. If not, just select a general script writing option. Next, you'll need to input some details. This is where you can really personalize your content. You want to give the AI software a brief description of your audience, what type of message you want to convey, and any key points you want to include. For example, if you're promoting a product or talking about a trending topic, be sure to include that in the prompt. Once you've provided the necessary info, the AI will generate a script. You can customize it further if needed, but more often than not, it will be a great starting point. If you're not feeling the tone or style, don't hesitate to adjust it. One of the best parts about using AI is that you can iterate quickly and refine your script without starting from scratch each time. The script should be short and punchy, typically under 300 words for Reels or Shorts. Focus on grabbing attention in the first few seconds, offering value, and ending with a strong call to action. For example, if you're sharing a tip, make sure to prompt the viewer to take action, whether that's liking the video, following your account, or visiting a link in the description. Once your script is ready, you can use it to create your Instagram Reel or Short. Make sure to match the pacing and tone of the script with the video content. The words on screen should complement the video, creating a seamless experience that keeps viewers engaged. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. When creating scripts for Instagram Reels or Shorts with AI, it's important to focus on quick, clear messaging that gets straight to the point. Use AI to your advantage by letting it handle the heavy lifting of brainstorming and structuring so you can focus on what really matters, creating great content. To recap, here's what we covered. Choose a short-form template, provide your input to personalize the script, tweak the results, and keep your content brief and impactful. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we use today. Details are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.